I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spent in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
down. Now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack and the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat in the
Yo. What up, what up, what up?
Feet like a feline, put them back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business, now who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick-tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff. Till I went and turned it where
I was down, but now I'm up.
What up, chat? What's good, what's good?
This all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I
Hope you guys are well. Hope y'all are well.
down, but now I'm up.
What's goody, what's goody, what's goody?
Hey, check.
Check, check, check. Mic check. Can you hear me? W's in the chat if you can hear me. Whoa, whoa.
If there's one thing I know,
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in, welcome
God
in.
is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain,
All right.
in the shine.
Testing, testing.
It's good all the
Let's go. Give me 1 sec. Be right back.
all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the sun. God is good all the time. Okay, some days be the best, some days be the worst, some days stay on replay, other days they don't. Oh well, okay. Guess what? You woke up today, put a big smile on your face. 'Cause one thing ain't never gonna change. God is good.
Okay.
If he ain't, then you lying in the
Rain in the shine. What up, everyone? Welcome in, welcome in. Happy Wednesday.
If he ain't,
Yeah. What's goody, what's goody? George VDM in the building. What up, George? What up, Louis G? Energy in the house. What up, Energy? What up, Aaron? Ooh, OGH. Ain't too good. What's up, Aaron? What up, everyone? Welcome in. Welcome in. We'll get started in just a moment.
Recording in progress.
In abundance, my dog. Alright, cool. Okay, we are good. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Let me lower the music a little bit. What up, Matt? What's goody? What's goody? What up, Zyper? How you guys feeling? Happy Wednesday, CPI data day. What's good? Sam Capital in the house. Let me get the Zoomers all set up. Hey, if you guys are not in our free Discord, you can join the Discord here today for free. Come on in, pull up. Come hang out with us in the Discord. If you guys are not in the Clubhouse, don't miss another London session. I'm telling you. Trying to tell y'all, man. I'm trying to tell you. Zoom link. Yeah, if you're not in the Clubhouse, I would just say I highly highly recommend getting yourself in there. That's all. We'll be there. All right, anyway, let's get started here, man. Let's put some other music on here and let's rock and roll so we don't get copyrighted. Keep the stream up here today. Should be a pretty good one. But welcome in. What up, Pia Magnifico? Z Gamer in the house. What up, C Melly? Sam YT in the building. What up, Nag? What up, Wokey? We got motion here today or what? Who's excited to be here? Who's ready to roll? Who's excited to be a trader, man? You guys excited about doing this? Eric P in the house, or you just rolling through the motions here today? Where you at? Yo, what's up, Rob? What up, Bear Berry? Bands Counted Up is in the house. Mr. Hart is here. Let's go. They're fired up. Morning, Tamra. What up, Lazy Panda? Engineer 14. I know that man's fired up. I know he's fired up. Stephen B is in the house. Most definitely fired up. What up, Xander? Big Xander in the building. Good morning, Nikki. What's up, Trader FX? C Melly, how we feeling, brother? Hey, C Melly. We gotta talk, bro. We gotta talk. Green is in the building. What up, Green? What up? Yeah, happy to have you here, Matt. All right. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. It is 8:12. We've got some news coming out here at 8:30. So we'll see how we do there. Let's talk about the news here today, and then we will jump on into it. Let me hook the Zoomers up with some music. I think we're good actually. Yeah, I think we're good. Good, right? Gucci, let's pray, let's get started, and then we will rock and roll here today. Father in heaven, Lord, I thank you for this organization. I thank you for this community. I thank you for what you're doing amongst us. The spirit of victory is just now showing, Lord. It's just showing because we believed in it when it wasn't. We give you all the glory for what you're doing. I pray you bless the people as they come in and out of the live stream today. Bless them in their lives, Lord, not just their trading, but in their life, in their hearts, Lord, in their minds, in their souls, in their spirits, Lord. We thank you for your power amongst us, and we just give you all the glory here today. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Let's go ahead and talk about CPI here today. Let's get the party started. Wishing you all a great day here, man. All right, that's first and foremost. Praying for you and your family. Praying for you on your journey. And you know, we're all in different places on the journey, so they're all a little bit different. So praying for all you guys, and let's get it popping here today. So again, today is January 15th. It's another day, another opportunity for us to be patient, to be disciplined, and to come here and play our game here, right? We'll play our game today. We got news coming in here at 8:30. Let me just lower this music a little bit more. Hold on. We got news. Yeah, so we got CPI coming in at 8:30. That should bring some volume here, right? So we've been consolidating since London. We'll see what happens when CPI comes out and all that data, and we'll see what's going on. It doesn't look like they're forecasting anything too crazy, much of a difference, but we'll see how the actual numbers come out in about 16 minutes here. So let's go ahead and get a look at price action. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis. This is your friendly reminder to give the stream a like if you have been enjoying your time here. Sub to the channel as well, and let's go ahead and get started here. Okay. Cool. Let's start back on the daily here, and let's track back and see what we got going on here for this lovely 15th day of January. So chat, everything we've been talking about, by the way, has just been playing out here, right? So we talked about gold daily time frame yesterday, and how although we did create resistance and we did close bearish on this candle, a strong candle, we still closed where? Above this, right? So above this main range here to the left hand side. Therefore, we could still plant support and continue running up, and that is exactly what we did there. So we did plant that support yesterday with this green, or I should say bullish closure here. So we did break the low as expected. We pushed back up. We closed bullish, creating a support here, and this may be what we were talking about, right? All week, or all into last week, where we get that break and retest to continue filling the range up here. As long as we remain above this overall zone, we're still, as I was mentioning, I'm still very bullish here on gold. So we have pushed up pretty nicely here so far today. I did take buys earlier in London session, so those turned out really well. But let's see how we can get some more opportunities here, potentially in New York. So let's take a look at the 4 hour now. 4 hour has been pushing pretty steadily here. So we're coming into this overall resistance level there at 27.17. So we'll see what this 4 hour candle's got here, right? The daily candle still has more room up until that same area, right? If we want to retest that resistance there, which we most likely will, after creating support yesterday, right? So we could expect this candle to tap into support, possibly even fill that wick, and then, you know, do whatever it needs to do from there. So we'll see. You know, we'll see if we can continue moving bullish here today. Let's drop down to the 1 hour, 4 hour, and all that, and see what's going on here. So keep in mind the 4 hour is still bullish, but we have kind of pushed quite a bit at this point. But there is certainly still room for price to continue driving, right? So we've kind of created support there. We had a nice, strong engulfing candle here with this closure, and then this next 4 hour candle just pushed up, right? So we're basically trying to clean up this range here. So we still got a little bit more room, but we'll see how we do when the news comes out here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is trying to create support. Let's take a look at how that looks on the 30. 30's coming back up here. So yeah. Let's watch this on the 15-minute time frame. This is basically the vibe here, right? Anything above 27.09, I think the buys are back in place, right? Let's look left here at 26.09, and let's see what we got. So we do have some nice clean range, moving on up to about 27.15. So that's a decent range right there, man. That's a 62 pip range. I think if you can get a closure back above there, you've got an initial target for partials like 27, 30 pips away, and then like a 65 pip range there. So that's what I'll be looking at. It looks like we did just get a fake out as well. So the only issue is we close with no, or actually, I'm sorry. Yeah, no, we're still remaining below. So we're still below, so I'm not really looking for buys off this candle. We'll see what happens, whether or not that was a fake out or not. But as of right now, this is my ranges right here. So pretty simple. CPI, let price do what it needs to do within this overall zone. You have clean range to the downside, clean range to the upside, and now we wait. Now we wait. And once price does make a move and give a direction, that's when the trading shall resume. Cool. So I'm up a little bit here today. Took buys earlier, a little bit after London Open, and just had a nice trade here. Yeah, this thing worked out well. I took a initial trade, right? The first trade was taken basically right here. So let me make this a little bigger here. So first trade was taken right here. Stops are very tight. Kept stops below the lows here, with the idea of price moving up towards 27.06. So as price opened up here, it made a lower wick, came down, or whatever, came back up, broke the high. I was in it, and I was in it for about, I think it was like 11 pips, maybe 10 pips, and price started rejecting. I went break even. Price hit me at BE, and then what I did was, as this candle kind of pushed down, came back, closed bullish as it, or not closed bullish, as it rebroke its high, took an entry right there, right? So basically the next move was a little higher of an entry, but we had already broken the lows there. Candle closed without a wick. I didn't really care. I just kept it in, and then, you know, these candles finally moved up, and that's where I kind of closed the partials and all that good stuff. So, or actually hit full TP there. So yeah, pretty good trade. Went straight to 27.06 though, which is what we called in the Clubhouse last night, or this morning during London. So that was perfecto. So yeah, pretty good so far. Yeah, that was the trade. So 26.07 or 27.06 tapped. That was exactly what we called there during London. Exactly what we anticipated. Shout out to Wokey. Playbook trades only on these two XFAs. Let's get it, my guy. Clubhouse eating. Congrats, bro. Let's go. Very nice. Congratulations, man. So yeah, so that was it for me today, and now I wait. AB Mike has arrived into the US. Okay. Okay. Let's go. W Wokey. Let's get it, man. Second time Wokey randomly popped up on the live stream here. Wow. That might be a sign, dude. Discord, my bad. I forgot to change the link. Hit ! Discord and that'll get you in. But man, I'm so excited to see the Clubhouse, right? And what these guys and girls are doing. I really think everything's starting to stick now. So now we cruise into momentum, right? So let momentum take you on, right? Let momentum push you forward into the year. You just keep following the plan, following the system. The Don is in the house. What up, the Don? 7 minutes for CPI here today. 7 minutes. Getting some pressure here. Some pressure. Are these hints or is this liquidity? What is it? What do you guys think it is? What do you think it is? Win rate this year? I don't even know. I think it's like 14-4. Yeah, I haven't been keeping a win rate. I've just been tracking everything on TradeZella. Been a decent start to the year though. Had a tough day on Wednesday last week. That was about it. Yeah, lovely day yesterday, man. Price been moving beautiful. Beautiful. My XFA is doing really well too. So XFA is doing pretty good here, up about 1,200. I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got another day here of 200 plus, and then I can take a payout if I really wanted to. But I'm gonna build a buffer up on this one and bring this account out only for the best trades. So I really like having the XFA right in my back pocket here, because that allows me to pick and choose what accounts I want to trade. You know what I mean? So based off of the conditions, based off of the day, you know, a day like CPI, I might not want to trade my XFA. You know, I might not want to do that. And I'm back up on these accounts halfway to profit, 1,400 on this one. So yeah, about 1,400 on both of them. So right back to halfway up, you know what I mean, in a day or two. So you guys know my plan for this coming year and how I'm going to be rolling with the XFAs and the combines and the budgets and all that stuff. And you'll see me continue to do what I say I'm going to do, you know. So that's how I'm going to be treating those accounts. And it should be fun. Should be fun. So it's cool. Haven't really had that many accounts to trade like that, so it's nice to, you know, pull one out when I want to and use the other one when I want. So it's nice. What up, Ayush? How you doing? Ayush, are you, when you say how you doing, are you saying it in that voice? Are you typing it in that voice? Because I always think you are. How you doing? Just, yeah, exactly. Tell them, Dan. Don't worry about the record, man. Just bring people to the live stream, all right? Hey, call all your friends right now. Tell them there's a free live stream going on. Call your mama. Call your grandmama. Tell them it's CPI day, man. There ain't any place to be but the TT stream. And don't worry. You'll be like, well, you know, Raja's going to go have buy stops and stuff. Don't worry, man. We're going to bring them up on the TT stream. Everything is right here under one umbrella, under one house. Just pull up. Your grandma don't need to watch the other channels. What up, Banty? Yo. Is my man on today? Is the big homie on today? That's the question. If the big homie's on, we'll bring him on up. Let's check out YouTube land. Holy, it's time. It's time. Green's in the building.
Something there's something to it.
Haha,
It's very
yes.
satisfying to have a big wad of cash as a man in your
Oh,
you
he ain't
know.
lying.
CPI is near. Please do analysis. My analysis is
He
right
ain't
here.
lying. It is really nice to have a big wad of cash. How many of you guys feel better with just when you have cash on you? Anyone? Even if it ain't yours. You're like running the bank for your boss or something, carrying like $5,000. You're like, I'm feeling good right now. You know, it's not even your cash. You're just like, I like the way that looks. Skinny jeans because my knots don't fit. That's right. That's how it goes. Yeah. Yeah, I can't wear skinny jeans out here no more, man. That's for you guys. You said, man, you took a picture on Snapchat and all that. You titled that thing Skinny Jeans because my knots don't fit. Yeah. What up, Sandman? How you feeling, brother? How you feeling? Can't wear them skinny jeans. Yeah, it does feel much better when you do have some cash. I still believe cash is king. Because you know what? There's one universal language. You know what it is? You guys know the universal language? Everyone knows what it means. Everyone knows what it means. Pay the fee. Man, I remember this one guy, he would never answer my messages. I'd be asking him, trying to pick his brain all day long. Next thing you know, I sent him 3,000. He hasn't missed a message since. I promise y'all. I promise y'all. Cash is king. I promise you. I'm going to have 10 bands at all times. Hey, yo. It's like Shaq. Facts, right, Deuce? It's nice. Nice to have some cash. Knots, baby. Call them garlic knots. Yo, what up, Jay Deezy? Daniel's in the house. What up, Daniel? Daniel likes to have some cash on him. Let me pop Zoom open. I don't even know who's here today. All right, all right. Sam Capital's in the building. Okay, okay. Pre-CPI. My man. With 2 minutes left. Oh my gosh. What's up, Sam? How you feeling?
How we doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
How are you? How are you, Sam? How are you?
I'm feeling live.
He's
Feeling
live.
lively.
How we feeling today about CPI, Sam Capital?
Oh, man, it's gonna be interesting. So, yesterday with PPI, they were projecting no increase from the previous month. However, with CPI, they're expecting an increase in the year over year. So they're expecting inflation to be up here on today's CPI report. Let's see if it happens.
So gold juicer?
I think you might be right.
Inflation up?
If
Bad for dollar, right?
That's what it comes. Yeah, if that's what it comes out as.
Holy.
But we'll see though, because yesterday's PPI report was down, so it could get a little messy.
It's a little mix of Roonies
So
here.
on the producer side, yeah, it's like it's costing them less to make goods, but they're expecting the goods to be more expensive. Is basically what it's saying. So I'm just waiting to see what happens here.
Oh, daily.
Oh yeah, Joycer.
Daily candle. Oh. Broke the highs. Oh, we forgot about Roger. Holy.
One.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh.
My order got activated. Oh, moved up. Moved
Oh,
down,
profit. Oh,
moved up,
oh.
moved down.
Oh.
I don't like this.
I don't like this. Yo.
Do I like it still?
Do I like it? Does he like it? Ugh.
Oh, so the numbers
Decisions.
did come out at
That's why managing risk
2.9.
here.
So we
Just
do
10
have
lots.
inflation up.
Nothing
So
crazy.
Oh.
10 lots.
gold
was
should
it?
be pushing up here.
9, 10,
Yeah,
7,
2.9% on the
10.
year for
okay.
year.
Oh no.
Damn, my
Up
man.
from the previous 2.7.
Okay, how much did we make over
The
here?
Wow.
inflation's lingering around a little bit,
Man.
as it usually tends to do, but this thing could keep moving. Let's see what happens.
Wow. Goldie back up here, man. Target tapped on that. Look at that. 27.16.
Bink.
Bink. Resistance has been tapped. Now, will we keep moving? That's the question. Lovely. Yeah, I had a feeling that was liquidity there.
If you go back to the daily, if you look at that moving up right to the left there, yeah, that
Yep.
was CPI last month.
Oh, no way. This one?
Yeah,
The 24th?
yeah. Well, the next day.
Oh, this one.
Is that the 20?
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah,
The
the
10th.
11th.
The 10th and the 11th. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the 11th was the CPI last
Oh.
month. So,
Oh, wow.
uh,
Could we see previous CPI highs today?
possibly.
Sheesh.
Since you're getting that closure above on the previous day.
Yeah. Nice. 4-hour turning back around here now. Looking good. Nice push.
It's alright, though.
push.
We'll wait for the setup.
We'll check everything else here. See what NQ did. Oh, skyrocket.
You should be flying out.
Hey, that looked like that trade that we took that one day. I think I sent that to you, actually. I feel like that's in our Discord message. It looked just like this.
Probably, yeah.
Wow,
I think
looks
I know who you're talking
identical.
about, yeah. You know, I think I saw that on the daily yesterday when you were looking at it. I was like, wow, it looks like it's about to juice.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, that looks just like this one. Look. Hold on. Yeah, wow. Same price action. Crazy.
Oh, wait, hold up. I couldn't see it on this.
Holy Nash juice box. Yeah, we took
Yo,
that entry like right here.
Actually, you know what? I think that was Yanosha's trade.
Was it?
Yeah, and he sent me it.
That was at I think that was NFP.
Yeah, I think it was because I never
Whoa.
used those colors.
Bro.
Wow. Yeah. Dollar weakness with this inflation up.
Goner.
For sure. You're seeing all this money moving back into these assets right now.
Yup. Wow, ES and NAS gone. Goner. How about BTC? Let's take a look at Bitcoin here. I think we should continue to see a drop down here on Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin up here for CPI so far. Back to 90, 98.
Usually it moves the same as gold and stocks.
We pushed down towards
moves.
89. You seen that? I think we hit like 89.
Honestly, let me look at Bitcoin.
Yeah, 89K. Then we're coming back up now. Yo, good morning, Juan. What up? What's goody? What's goody? What up, Jay Moore? Roger that. Snap fingers. Is that what it was on his terminal? Yeah, that did sound pretty cool.
What up, Jalen? How we doing?
Jay Coop.
Good idea to do it so that
Okay,
you
cool.
can have something to fall back on. Anyway, take care, everyone.
He's out.
See you on Friday. We'll see you on Friday. Till then,
All right.
adios.
Adios.
Dude, I'm not trying to like be that guy or nothing, but dude, I think Roger's on a little losing streak with the casino, bro.
Oh, the casino runs?
Maybe, yeah. I
Little
don't know.
casino?
I don't watch, but I think it was like yesterday.
Dude, it's tough.
But
It's-
hey, yeah, I know.
it's-
That's why, you know, even me, I stay away. There's sometimes it's got to be like perfect. I gotta like look at the news. The price action's gotta line up perfectly.
Yeah, and he's not taking fundamental analysis into consideration too much.
No,
he's
he's
literally
purely
technical.
off volume. No, yeah. But I mean, hey, he balls out, so
Yeah, facts.
he probably be balling, dude. That's why I'm like, hey, I ain't not trying to hate or nothing at all.
Facts.
I love
Facts.
seeing it, honestly.
Anyone who thinks Raja had lost money on any day is tripping. Trust me. That boy, big up, big up, man.
He's playing on the house when he's doing that.
Yeah. Yeah, he's awesome. Yeah, it's always fun. It's like what do they call that? Like tradertainment. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Green, how we feeling? Yeah, we were watching Raja. We seen him. We synced it. BTC. Some people thinking BTC ready for that 70% retracement. We'll see. Will BlackRock's move start the retracement? Will their exit of, I think it was like 188 million Bitcoin? We'll see. Free Johnny Gems. The Gemsters
Johnny
here?
Gems.
Let's check them.
Yo, I seen both of you cooking this morning in the clubhouse, bro. I hopped in there.
We're cooking.
Yo, chat. This is what I see. I was like at the top of the Zoom. You just see Nick Stu pop in. This dude's on a treadmill, bone up, working. I was like, hey.
Little pre-New York gym sesh.
And then you know Johnny Stu is in there cooking, doing the usual thing.
Just cook.
I was like, let's go. I like seeing my boys working in the morning.
It's working.
Like,
Man. We just
getting
work.
Getting that work in.
That's all we
Thank you,
know.
bro.
That's all we know, man. We don't got
Yeah.
time to sit around and, just count the sheep. We got work to do.
What I've been programmed to do.
That's right.
What's up, boys?
R2D2.
How
Yo.
you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, John.
Doing?
How are you?
Nick, Sam, lovely gentleman. How we feeling?
Incredible, bro. You?
Blessed and highly favored.
Hey,
Blessed and highly favored and incredible. Let's go.
hey. Okay. We were playing
Alright,
golf
let's-
again today. Third day in a row?
Let's do it.
Nah.
Damn, all right,
I'm
down.
done. I
had a
don't even
pretty
want to
good
play.
game today.
I need to watch the Full Swing documentary for the rest of the week, and then we'll play maybe
Yeah, I'm good.
on the weekend.
Maybe 9 holes, but yeah, 18 holes is a lot. So
Oh, 18.
I'm down for that, bro. I'm down to wait for the weekend.
All right, we'll do it. Let's do it. You heard him, Stephen B?
Find something else to do today.
Commitment.
What? Committed. What's up, ladies and gents? What's up, everyone in the chat? We feeling? Happy Wednesday, right?
Yeah, Wednesday.
Happy hump day.
What up, Cannon? W, brother. W. Let's get it. No surprise. No surprise. Keep working,
Good
man.
Cannon.
Stay hungry, brother. Stay hungry.
Yo, it's another day to do our job as professional traders, which is follow our trading plan. Let's get to it.
Follow the plan. Yeah, Happy New Year, Cannon. Hope you're well, brother. Hope you and the family are good. Nice to see you. Nice to hear from you. Way to put in the work. Gotta do what you gotta do in life, man. Gotta do what you gotta do.
Yep. What's up, YOLO trader?
Way to
What's up,
put
dudes?
the
Trey?
way to put the family on your back. Take responsibility.
Yeah. What's up, Sam, man? I like that. Wednesday.
Oh, nice. Rewatched every live stream. Almost every live stream for the last month. W. That's
Great.
amazing.
Landon, what up, Landon? What's up, brother?
What up, Landon? What up, Landon? Yes, sir. Looking forward to it, Cannon. We'll see you soon, bro. We'll see you soon. He said 18 or nothing. Bro, Joey Stu played the game of his life. The game
Man
of
was
his
cooking.
life yesterday. Wow. What a
Joey Stu
game.
was balling.
Bro,
And
what a
they had a
game.
good game.
He had a great game. So, he's on top of it, C Melly.
John doesn't sound too impressed.
Nah, he played good. He played good. Give it to him.
He played good, man. He played good.
Stop, C Melly.
I see what's going on.
Is there slippage on futures? Not really. No, I haven't really experienced anything like that. Wait, maybe we did. Did we? I think we did experience slippage like one time, right?
Oh yeah, like
One
one
or
or
two.
two times. Very rare. Very rare you see slippage trading futures.
Yeah.
It could happen though. But no spread. So
Yeah. So very interesting to see how this 4-hour candle closes here today. Very interesting.
Yes, sir.
Coming back down now. Big rejection.
That Bitcoin 4-hour. Oy.
Oi. BTC. Oh wow. Ready for a ride.
Buckle up.
Can you trade news?
yeah, Aaron.
Yeah. Yeah, why not? Why not? Bro, NAS
Yeah, Aaron,
crazy. John, you seen
NAS,
NAS?
No, I didn't. I didn't.
Go look at it.
All right,
Go look at ES.
All right, let's check out ES. I don't know what to expect. Damn. ES freaking juice box. Snap.
Looking like the straw coming out.
For real.
Yeah.
Looking like Maverick just
Right?
I remember
popped
that.
a straw in his little
Always say
juice
that, bro.
box.
If only I was in buys, damn.
If only we were in buys on NAS and ES and gold.
I should have been in them, man. Damn it.
Aaron, do it, brother. Do it, man. Best decision you'll ever make in your trading.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say before, Aaron. I highly suggest you do that.
That's how I feel. Sam, you're using futures now too. How do you feel about it? Because you were using Forex for obviously your
Dude,
whole career.
It's fire. I honestly, yeah, I like the what do you call it? No spread. That is crazy.
Yeah, I
dude,
know.
compared to like, you know, because that would like, not like make or break like whether I'd enter a trade, but you know, you'd always have to
Sometimes.
account for it, and
Mhm.
yeah, like that's what I mean. Like sometimes the spread would just be a little bit higher because you know you got more volume, and you know you shouldn't be punished for trading in higher volume times, right?
Right, right.
Like-
Yeah, I
And
mean,
the way
Whenever
we
the
trade
market's the
too.
most active.
true.
Yeah, exactly. The way we trade too, it's like 10 pips was a good day.
Yeah,
Right. Like we want our entry, you know, versus we'll pay a little bit more in commission, but we want that entry that we're looking for
Exactly, yeah.
because we're scalpers,
So
right?
far, it's been awesome, dude.
Facts.
I have no complaints.
yeah, same.
Honestly, and it feels like you get your entries and all that a little bit sooner.
Yeah, yeah, it's nice. I like it. I mean, before we were like, yeah, 3-pip spread. It's not that bad. Like, what? It is that bad.
I know, dude. Like it's almost crazy to think the amount of success we were having.
Yeah, right.
with having spreads and
and
all
slippage.
that. Yeah, dude. Because imagine like 3 pips adding up after 3 trades. Like that's almost 10 pips right there, right?
Yep,
Like
that's
or
true.
1%. Like that's
Yeah.
crazy.
True.
Hell yeah.
Just off the spread, and that's just like tax.
Yep.
taking it like that from us, bro. So
Hey,
yeah,
like
honestly,
I-
the futures has been awesome so far. I suggest that anyone that's still trading Forex make the switch
Yeah, check it out.
if you can, obviously.
They call it the gentleman market.
But yeah, and then I had other problems too. Eventually, towards the end of using like MetaTrader and stuff, where you would get like I know AB Mike was talking about it, like delays in. Like you'd hit buy or like you'd have a sell stop, you'd play this, and then like 30 seconds later, it finally is like, oh yeah,
Yeah.
here's
Yeah.
your entry. Like
Yeah,
that
it was
stuff's
rough.
crazy. That should never happen.
Right, dude? Crazy. Stuff's illegal right there, man. You can't do that.
I don't know.
Literally taxing.
It's getting a little sketchy.
For real.
Right.
It's crazy, bro.
It
CFDs
certainly
be
did get
sketchy.
sketchy, yeah.
So-
Highway robbery. For real.
Yeah, I don't like to get robbed. I don't know about you guys, but
Brokers are starting to have issues. I mean, I think you just got to know who to work with, know who to try. I mean, the best broker I used for CFD was probably KOT, but then I would say second to that, Dominion Markets. Other than that, I never really trusted money in any other broker like that. Had some bread in Trader's Domain for a bit, but glad didn't get too caught up with that one. What else? Hugo's Way, obviously. I think we've all used Hugo's Way if you've been trading for a while. Good old Hugo's
Trade
Way.
is what I use.
Hanko, yeah. Hanko, how they doing?
remember that?
I don't know.
Nobody
Been a
knows
while.
nothing.
Maybe I should give him a call.
Give him a call.
Yeah, sorry, I'm like in and out of my room. I gotta
no,
give
you
this
good.
bird its fresh veggies.
Willie got to get what Willie needs, man.
I can hear you.
It really
Dude, you
needs
should
that.
have seen Willie, bro. She was like open and wide. She wanted him. She's just sitting on me a minute
She
ago.
said,
You could
"Feed
see.
me."
Hold on, I'll send you a video.
She said,
Yes.
feed me. Yeah, Hugo's Way. Good old Hugo's Way. Wow. Throwback. Actually, I think I have a picture in my saved in my favorites from my first ever live account.
Yeah.
Yeah, photos.
AB Mike, what up, bro? Yeah, I bet it feels good,
AB
right?
Schneid.
You're trading New York sesh in America.
AB Mike, how was your flight? Yo, this phone got the new settings on this is wild. I don't even know where these fools put my favorites. Oh. AB Mike's in the good old California. Rafi, what's up, Rafi? What up? What up?
Hey, Rafi.
Rafi
brother.
getting ready to hit the USA. Both of them are looking like Americans.
Yo.
I like it.
Oh, they both got fresh haircuts, ready for America.
They got the high and tight.
You know, they got the fades going
American
on, and
classic.
the little, on the top, the little taper on the sides.
Yeah, that high and tight.
Yeah, looking good, boys.
Looking fresh.
Looking like America.
That's like the. Yeah.
Looking like, hey, Rafi looks like he got that haircut in the Bronx. So does AB Mike. Them boys look like they went and got haircuts in Harlem.
No, that's not no high and tight. That's fire. I had to come back in and look at it.
Yeah, they look like they were in the
Looking
Bronx, bro.
fresh, looking fresh. Look at AB Mike. Look at him pulling up, bro.
AB Mike with the fadey.
Fresher than a peppermint.
That boy fresher than a peppermint.
You see him pulling up, dude? He's styling.
No, I don't see him right now.
He was connecting in, and I seen him.
Oh,
He's flexing.
his
in
zoom
there,
is
bro. He's
in and
going
out.
Crazy.
Oh,
He's doing his thing.
how's the weather, AB Mike? AB Schneip.
Yeah, AB Mike, where are you at? And
Oh damn, I didn't see the 15 close here. Closed above
I
too.
gotta come back and look.
Dum, 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 dum. Morning, AB Box. We got AB Mike and AB Box. Yeah, so I haven't taken anything since London's session here, but London did provide some nice opportunity. Really, really nice. We've been moving on up. So there was 2 trades taken in the clubhouse here during London. The first trade was right here. This move, right here. Right, a buy on this candle.
Yeah.
Right off support. Simple. Support being formed in an uptrend. Next candle makes a lower wick. Breaks the high of the previous candle. And that's where that entry goes. So that was the first trade. And then the second one was right here. So this was taken. So after this strong candle closed. Actually, there was 3 trades. Strong candle closure. Buys are taken here. Stops are moved to break even around 12 pips. Comes back, hits break even. Next candle opens up. Boom, comes down. Creates this steep low and then pushes right back up. So this was like an inverted celery play. And then this one I just held all the way through towards 07 or 06, whatever it was. And that was that. So 3 buy positions. It's been all buys here today for us. Pre-New York
Look at
did
the video.
nothing.
Sending you on Discord.
Discord.
Yeah, that's Willie. She hungry.
Yeah, pre-New York did absolutely nothing here. Just chopped around. Let's take a look.
Yeah, I'd have never thought I'd have owned a bird.
He got a bird. He got a bird.
Yeah, dude.
Wow, look at this 15-minute candle here. Insane. Willie, bro's hungry.
Willie,
Bro needs grub.
that's the new TT pet.
Got like chopped up veggies from in the blender and then like dumped them in the bowl. Now she's eating. She eating good.
Nice.
Hey, was it yesterday where I was talking about like freedom and being able to see like your kids' first stuff and all that? Was that yesterday or
Yeah. I think
one
so.
day this week or something? Yesterday, man, King Man.
Yeah.
Big King Man, bro. Like 4 or 5 steps just straight in a row. I was like, wow.
Yeah.
Really?
So the homie's on
Go.
he's on 2 now. He's
That's
on
awesome.
2. He seemed pretty pumped
Love
up
you.
about it too. So I see him continuing to attempt to go longer.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's awesome.
He was all pumped up, all giggly and stuff.
Nice, because I remember he was standing, bro, so that's great.
Yeah, he started standing and now he's getting it. At first it was like
Is he
one
getting
step.
the beef?
The beef? Yeah, he gets beef. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. He gets a good, solid, whole food diet.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. He eats good.
Nice, dude. As he should.
You talk about freedom every day? Yeah. That's how you know I love it. I love freedom, man. Love freedom. And Jimmy Ding Dong? Yeah. Jimmy Ding Dong and freedom. Two
Yeah, man.
totally opposites.
Ever since I've been chatting with Nick, freedom has been an obsession for me as well. For our last decade here, Nick talk about freedom. Number 1 goal, man.
That's all I ever wanted. that didn't
That's it.
didn't take that much money. Didn't need millions of dollars to do that either.
Not at all.
Yeah, man, that's so true. If there's like one thing I could recommend to anyone that's like, you know, still in like a 9 to 5 and like, you know, your goal is to become like a full-time trader, you know, take a vacation and treat every day of that like vacation from your work as like you would be pulling up to the charts and, you know, doing your full trading routine like you would be doing, you know, and just like truly try to envision.
That's dope. Take a week off and just
Yeah, man, like get a taste of that
visualize
freedom, and
Right.
like you're never gonna want to go back to what you're used to. Like you just need a taste of it, and I promise you, it's gonna like change your perspective on your life.
change. Yeah, you'll start getting
That's-
serious
that's
about
facts,
keeping it.
Sam.
Where's
Facts,
the
Sam.
voice? The voice is coming from the
Every-
Oval Office.
Every time
I'm
I
sorry. Oh,
every time I touch every time I touch my goals, I get more hungry to achieve them. So I agree with Sam 100%.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yes, Stephen B 1000%, bro. What's up, Stephen B? But yeah, man, you know me, like it's 9 a.m. here. I'll be done by 11 a.m. and then what? Like, you know, I'm free. So it's like you could do anything at that point, right? So
Yeah.
trading definitely can get you freedom, absolutely.
I used to take those days off all the time. I'm like, I'll walk out the gym in the morning, ask Joe. Sometimes I'm like, and yo, there was one time I was delivering ice for a living. Yo, we walked out the gym one morning, it was snow, and I'm like, yo, Joe, ain't no way I'm going in today. I'll be damned to be delivering ice in a snowstorm. So I just call out and then just pretend I was free and get the feeling of being free in a snowy day and not having to go to work and all that.
No, but I mean that's real though, dude.
Yeah,
Like
Yeah, man.
it's
just
true.
the feeling.
Because you sit there and you
Right,
think,
you
man,
don't-
every day could be like this.
Exactly. That's yes.
Right. And like Nick said too, right? You don't need to be making $1 million to experience freedom, right? The best way to experience freedom is simply living below your means, right? And when you live below your means, you get to experience a different level of peace, right? A level of peace that those who live above their means won't ever get to experience, right? And that's just a number. That's just a number, right? Honestly. And that's a couple grand, right? For some of you guys, right? So freedom is really close, really close. And you just need enough, right? You just need enough money to have freedom, and that you guys all know that number, right? So
Yeah, know your number. Daily on the move. Daily on the move. 30-minute
Next
candle's
target.
going to close here, but not the way I wanted it to close.
yeah,
Let's take a look at this. Beautiful wick fill on the 15. Wow. Gapped up there too. Oh, nice, Madison. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, you basically buy yourself a window. You buy yourself a window. Most people aren't willing to take on that risk. But remember, no risk, no reward. It's like, I can't save up and leave my job. And yeah, you can. You can do anything you want. Does it go against society a little bit, maybe? Yeah. That doesn't mean you can't do it.
I love it, Madison.
Yeah, that's fuego.
That is fuego.
I think the other thing to take into consideration too is like sometimes there really is no risk.
There
Because
isn't.
If you fail and end up nowhere,
There's never
you'd
risk.
have been in the same place if you would have never tried it in the first place.
Yeah.
Right.
You do know you're going to
That-
die.
there is the risk.
You're going to die one day.
Exactly.
Like one day you're going to die. You don't
So
know
might as
when
well
that
get
day
out
is.
there and try and do something.
So right.
So
So
yeah, never trying is failing right there. You're risking your entire existence because one day it'll end right here on Earth. So that's what you're risking by not taking what society claims to be risk.
The real risk ain't taking any risk, for sure.
Yeah, my
Nah, but
mentor,
for real,
Ed would say, I want you to sit there and think about what the perfect day would look like. And I want you to write it down. I want you to draw it out. I want you to visualize it and focus on that. So if you guys can write down, like, if money was not an option and if time wasn't an issue, what would you do? Where would you live? What kind of home would you live in? What kind of cars would you have in the driveway? Would you have a family, right? What would you do? What would your hobbies be? What would you do on a day-to-day basis? How would your health differ, from what it is now? And just visualizing a perfect day if money and time were no issue at all. So you got to crystallize that perfect day. The real risk is not trying. Yeah, that's true.
Absolutely.
That's true. All right, let's see what Goldie's going to do up here in this 30-minute zone.
Looking for a pullback now.
Can't be afraid to fail, man.
Yeah, facts. If you're afraid to fail, then you're afraid to progress, because failure is a part of success, right? It's a virtue of success. Like, it's a part of the process of becoming good, becoming great. Failure is in that process. So you can't be afraid to fail, right? Then you're afraid to make progress. So
True.
progress is the goal. So
Yeah, that's true, because then you'll never attempt progress. And I mean,
right.
Unfortunately, gang, we've been conditioned from a very early age, right? To when you mess up on something, it's considered a failure, and failure is not good, and that means that you didn't understand it like all the other kids did. And could you imagine telling a first grader, sorry, you didn't pass this, you have to stay back with the younger kids? Do you know what that will do to a young man or a young woman's mind as they move into middle school and then high school? That a lot of times, little do people know, that stays with one, right? And then they feel less of, and then they feel, hey, next time I try and progress, if I don't and I fail, then I'll get held back, or oh, this will happen again, or that'll happen again. I mean, the system is raunchy, man. The system is wicked. So, very early on, they will condition one to believe that they're a failure, and that's just not the case. A failure is somebody heading towards success, not somebody doomed for it or doomed to it.
Right. You tell a kid he's a failure a couple times, he's gonna believe it.
Yeah.
So it definitely does something to one, for sure.
My kids, they have an environment for failure all day long. I want to see them fail. I want to encourage them to fail. I want to, because if they're failing, then that means they're pushing towards progress, and that's all I care about. No one cares about the final result, because just like Earl Nightingale says, success is the progressive realization of a dream, right? It's in the pursuit of it, and in that pursuit, you're gonna have ups and downs. You're gonna have triumphs, victories, failures, all that stuff. Success is a never-ending uphill battle, right? Some of you guys think once you get here, all of a sudden Egyptian women come out of nowhere, and they come with grapes, and they have these moist sponges, and they just sponge your head, and you're getting a manicure and a pedicure and massage, full body massage 24/7 now. Like, you could just sit on your laurels, and life is just going to be oh so great and serve you at every single moment of the day. But I got news for you, G. If you start getting into that mindset, this is where your lifestyle's going up, consolidation, and back down, because success does not reward the lazy individual. You'll get a direct proportion of what you put out, right, is what you'll get back. So if you're not doing the work at any point, it doesn't matter about your previous success. You got to earn it every day, right? So success is this never-ending battle, this grind that people think is probably so great, because it is when you're moving up in life. But that doesn't mean to say that these aren't hard times, that there's not tough situations and tough challenges and failures and setbacks and all that within this entire process here. So, you know, you got to understand that in the full spectrum of it. Yo, give me some grapes. You start thinking, yo, I'm pretty successful. Where's the Persian women with the grapes?
Feed me.
Yeah, man, your expectations wrong. It's kind of like my expectation when my wife delivered our first baby. You know, the hospital, you kind of think like, if you never had a kid before, you think it's gonna be like a big show. Like there's like everyone's gonna be here, like this doctor, that doctor, the entire medical staff, the cameras, the news reporters. You think everyone's gonna be there. Next thing you know, like one lady walks in, she goes, "All right, we ready to do this?" I'm like, "Yeah." "Where's the team?" She was like, "We're the team." I'm like, "Wait, what? We're the team? Where's everyone else?" Like, "Nah, we're gonna get this going right now. Here, hold her leg." I'm like, "Oh my god!" But right into it. So, you know, sometimes your expectations aren't exactly what you think it is.
Well, I don't expect anything. Be non-attached to everything. Just be someone who's observing life. Right, you attach yourself to something and then you know, you expect it's not met. Now you're frustrated, right? And now you experience pain. So yeah, don't just understand that this world contains problems, right? And don't be attached to anything, right? Understand that this world contains problems, and if you're not attached to anything, then when problems come, you won't be upset about it, right?
Nope.
So.
Life isn't all about happiness and joy. Life is about life.
Yep.
Some of y'all trying to be happy all the time. Happy.
Who told you life was all about pleasure? Who lied to you?
Right. Life is about life. Life is mixed emotions that we get to observe. Happy ones, sad ones, joy, victory, setback, triumph. You know, winning, losing. Life is supposed to be lived. You know, if they wanted to call it life happy, they would have called it happy. They didn't. They called it life. There's a lot of things that go on in life.
Yep.
Man, I'd be happy all the time,
Man,
hanging out on the couch, relaxing, watching TV and ice cream, but that wouldn't lead me a good life. But would I be happy? Probably. But would I? Because I'm nowhere near my goal? Probably not, right? So doing the work, putting in the work, going to the gym, doing all that doesn't make me that happy, but the outcome makes me happy of it. So you just gotta look at it like that.
Yeah, practice non-attachment, stop fighting with reality, and you'll learn to live peacefully in a world that contains problems, right? And then if there's meaning in life, Nick, right? Like we were talking about, if there's meaning in life, then there must be some sort of meaning in suffering, right? Because suffering's a part of life. So
100%.
It's just about adding all that stuff up, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I am looking for potential. It's been all buys for me here today, so I'm most likely gonna wait here and see if we can get support. And then once we do get support, that's where I'm gonna probably take my next buy. Yeah, probably like this will be the move that I'm looking for. It's not a bad fade here though. Pretty good. Not too bad. But I am curious to see how the 4-hour candle closes, right? Because if the 4-hour candle does close bearish here, then I might switch my bias, because that would tell me that the daily candle has most likely tapped target and won't continue up, right? So this daily candle, after creating support, this candle's job was to tap into the most recent resistance that was formed, which is right here. So we see that tap right here. So that means if the 4-hour candle is closing bearish, then most likely this daily candle will pull back, right? If the 4-hour candle closes bullish, then that means that this daily candle will most likely come up and fill these wicks up here. So the 4-hour really leads us and gives us some clean direction. But beautiful, beautiful daily candle here. What happens to the fades? Or what happened to the fade? What do you mean? I took a beautiful fade like 2 days ago. Yeah, we took a nice one. Yeah, these fades, sometimes I don't like taking these fades here. I'd rather, when we're so bullish, I'd rather wait for a bearish closure because we could just make a low and come up and re-break the high there. So unless I get like those other candles with a little bit smaller wicks and stuff, then, you know, I'd rather wait for a closure there. TikTok gone? Yeah, I'm telling y'all, follow me on Snapchat. Snapchat's about to come back alive. Hey, I'll be right back. Give me 1 minute.
I have to get on Snap too, myself. TikTok didn't want to sell it, I guess. I could see why. Oh, and daily wick has been filled. Yeah, we're right at resistance too on the daily, so. Oh, there's a copycat already? Wow. A copycat of TikTok?
I'm back. Yo, I heard about that.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's called like Red something. But it's
Red
something,
Note?
it's weird. Like I don't know. I just saw like one video someone was talking about it and it's like I don't know. Apparently like it's like you got to use your phone number and like all this stuff to sign up. So it's like, you know, the government was trying to get rid of TikTok this whole time because they were quote unquote stealing data. Now it's like people are literally just downloading the actual Chinese app and download and just giving it
Right.
data.
They're getting like tricked.
They can't win.
Right? They're getting played. Now they're giving all their information into this other app.
Yeah. Well, people are like, oh, I don't care.
Yeah. Yeah, Mo, I thought Trump would do that only if TikTok was gonna sell it. So I don't know what's happening. No. There's a lot I don't know.
Dude,
you know?
I'm gonna be honest, I don't like use it to like scroll, but like if there's ever, dude, it has like a search feature that is unlike any other platform. And it's like you if you like think of a video, you can like search it on there, dude, and you'll find it every time, like no matter
Right.
what it is.
It's like 30-minute workout. And then there's like
and
a
then
bunch
it's
of
like,
videos.
you know, there's a lot of things on there too, like I don't know, like say for example, like all these wildfires that are going on right now. Like you don't see anything about that on like the apps or the meta apps
Right.
or whatever.
It's true.
I
Yeah, I
don't
mean-
want to say too much, but yeah, dude.
Same. There's a lot I don't know, you know.
Yeah, I don't know.
But yeah, I mean, if you use it for constructive reasons, you know, I think it could be really good. Social media is a tool, right? So if you use it for the right reasons, it could help you,
Absolutely.
but for the wrong reasons, it could hurt you. Yeah, J Coop, I thought so too, man. What's up, J Coop?
What up, Daniel?
Daniel.
Thought it was supposed to be banned a while ago. Yeah, I thought they were talking about that a long time ago too. Nah,
What's up, Daniel?
no.
Daniel putting them steps in. It's good.
DJ scratches. I've noticed that. Just gotta ignore him.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, nice Hyper. Hopefully it's working out good. Little Nazier action. Yeah, nice close there on the 15-minute. So should be the start of our pullback here.
Oh wow, 14 minutes. Was it? Yeah, that's right. A little longer when you let it fully run. Nice. So daily looks like it's rejecting off that resistance. 4 hour, trying to figure things out. TikTok. TikTok? You got TikTok?
Come on, Nick. I know you use TikTok.
Yeah, yeah. Go follow Time D Trading on TikTok.
Is there actually one?
Yeah.
For real? I didn't know that.
Go see exclusive clips from some podcasts that I've been in before it gets taken down.
I'm searching it.
Damn, Conrad. All right.
We do a little ticky
work.
talk, ticky talk.
Conrad, you make it look easy, bro, to catch 50 pips like that. Nah, good work, bro.
You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
See the page? Told you.
Yeah,
We're on there.
that's fire, bro.
Squad's on there.
I don't like doing anything on there. I don't post anything. I like
Yeah.
the search feature.
I mean, with social media in general, you just have to ask yourself, am I a creator or am I a consumer? You know, and most people are just using it the wrong way. Meanwhile, it's probably the greatest tool of our generation. But are you using it as one? Right? Or are you just consuming and using it to doom scroll and fry your brain? Or are you creating it? Are you creating on it? Are you putting out content that is valuable, that helps people, that serves people, that helps you build businesses? Like what are you using social media for? Are you being social? Or are you just hanging out with some random picture of some boot? That's your profile picture. A picture of a boot. No post, no nothing. Come on, man. Y'all got to get social on social media. That's what it's for. Right? You know how many friends I've met? How many people I've actually made money with just from social media? Right? There's been friends where I
we
meet
wouldn't even be friends. We would not be sitting
exactly.
here right now.
Hey, chat, we wouldn't even be friends. Like I wouldn't even know any of you guys, you know? Like even people I meet in like out and about, right? I'm like we'll exchange social medias, right? And then we'll stay in contact. Like, there's a few guys from the gym that I know, like that I've gotten to know, you know, just a bunch of people, right? That I just have met and have actually become pretty good friends. So, you know, it's all about how you're using this thing, man. Yeah.
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 Yep. What's your advice on social media to reach people like you on trading related monthly memberships? Yeah, you can find a lot of people. There's a lot of hidden communities out there that you guys don't really know about. Just like we have the Clubhouse, you know, there's a lot of hidden communities, but you know, social media is a great way to find that out. My boy Tom from MySpace, man, exited on a nice deal there too. Just said, I'm gonna go live my life now. I'm gonna stay out the way. Smart man. Would you have taken Tom's deal? I think he got like a couple 100 million. Not bad.
That's honestly the truth, though. You gotta get used to using social media.
Yeah, man.
And get out of the old country bumpkin mindset of like, you know, dude, that's what I've been telling like people. That's just the way I explain it. Like, get out of that country bumpkin mindset of like, oh, I gotta, go to these select jobs and this is what I have to do. And,
Yeah.
with the internet,
Crazy.
you have the possibility to do
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
Because
Definitely.
then you can reach people in other places that have some of the same interests that you may have.
Yeah. It's people all around the world.
That you've got from the internet anyways, those same
Right.
interests that you never even had if you weren't on the internet.
True.
So go back into those. Yeah.
Get her in.
Facts, man. That's really, really facts.
And there's something else too that feels good about creating, and obviously it's spiritual side, but when you create, you feel good, creating over versus consuming.
Definitely. No doubt.
Absolutely, bro.
Because then you're putting
You're-
value out into the world that other people can use, like Nick was saying. And it
helping-
goes deep. It goes
helping
way
others.
deeper than that too. But
Yeah, that's true.
You're helping others, putting value into them, impacting them, right?
Let's see here. Hey, I need some advice on something. All right, let's see if we can hook you up. I know how to analyze, but I'm not confident to trade them, only to realize that most of my setups always play out. So start pulling the trigger. Just put a little 0.01 on. That's it. So no big size, no medium size, just small. And play with pennies until you gain enough confidence till you're like, why am I playing with pennies? Like, I see this thing so clear every time it works out. I'm over here playing with pennies. And then you'll eventually begin to increase your size as you get more chart time, as you take more trades. Don't forget to document those trades. Make sure you're keeping note on what works, what doesn't, and seeing how many times it works, so that way you can skew some probability for yourself. But I would start really small, and then I would eventually get to the point where I see it so much, I'm doing so well that I'm mad that I'm only trading it with pennies. And then that would build the confidence, and then that way you could size up. Walking to a there's a couple common things going on in the Clubhouse right now. XFAs, payouts, treadmills, steps, and what was the other one? There was one more. It's trending. Something. I forget what the other one was, but damn. How do you wait? Hold on.
One trade a day.
1 to 2 trades a day. Yeah. Standing desk. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Everyone got the treadmills and the standing desk going. Love it. Love it. And push-ups. That's right. How did you do at the start to find people? You started directly live streaming on YouTube? Yeah. Yes, I just started by myself with John. Me and John. And that was about it. And just day by day, brick by brick, just like I've built everything. It's just been brick by brick. Yep, I didn't have a community at all. No community. I had another community, but not of traders, so they weren't coming around this at all. Anyone ever do MLM? I did. Yeah, that's where I had my other community. But none of them came over to trading, you know what I mean? So the trading community, I just showed up every day, and God said if you build it, they'll come. So I just put my head down and started building.
It just started to grow with consistency.
Yep.
It was like 1 month there was like 10 people. 3 months later there was like 100. Slowly built.
And then it was 100, and then it was 1,000, and then 5,000, and then it was at one point we were hitting like there'd be weeks where 5,000 people subbed to the channel. Like it at one point it was wild.
Right.
Yeah, bro, I remember.
Facts,
It
dude.
was doubling every month.
Yeah.
It literally was, dude. It was crazy.
Do we need to make ads? I mean, if you want to make money, I don't make money off YouTube, so I don't run ads or anything on my lives, or even on most of my videos. I don't monetize them, so I don't really run ads on YouTube. Yeah, like even this stream right here, you see this one is no monetization or anything, so Because then I could play music and hang out and all that good stuff. So YouTube's actually really not an income stream for me. Believe it or not. I know everyone thinks, oh my God, you make money on YouTube. Actually, I don't. Brick by brick, DJ Scratches. That's right. MLM led me to trading. Yeah, MLM led me to just thinking big. AB Mike joined around 2 to 3K. Within a week, we're at 6K. Wow. Nope, just hard work, dedication.
Damn, bro, facts.
That's crazy, yeah, bro. I remember when
John was in school, yeah.
Bro. Dude,
that's true.
Yeah. Facts, bro. Go to a couple streams, you'll see me sitting in class.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think I said
behind me.
around like 200 subs.
Yeah? Wow.
Crazy, man.
Yeah, because then I remember hitting 500. I still have like videos of it all too. Like,
yeah. I still got a picture.
On my Instagram from like the what do you call it? The archive.
Yeah, bro. The most people we ever had on the stream one time was like close to 4,000 people on the live at one. I look back at that like wow.
5,000.
Was it 5?
That,
it was like 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was nuts. All right, let's see if we can get a move here at 9:30. May look to attempt this. Probably gonna use my other account. Yeah, maybe I'll use this one. So 9:30. If we get a decently strong support, might be looking to take buys to continue moving up. If not, probably go into the clubhouse and then wait for the next setup patiently. Yeah, it's compounding. Yeah, I just showed up every day and just that's what I do. You know, I just show up every day with a servant's heart. You know, I think the best way to lead is servant leadership and just helping people, you know, just giving people. Basically, I talk about things that have really helped me, things that have stood out to me and have like hit me like in these aha moments whenever my mentor mentioned them. And that's it. You know, if you come every day to serve people, don't focus too much on the result, right? The word says the result is automatic, right? It's automatic. It's just, are you going to do the work to get it? So when you have faith and you believe the result's automatic, it is. And then it just takes time. It just takes time from there. Yep. 4, 5. Right? Bible says, don't grow weary in doing what is right, for in due season you shall reap the reward, the harvest, right? That word shall is that you must reap it. That's what it's saying. It's like, it's a law. It's not up for debate. If you follow the rules, if you follow the law, just like gravity, if I drop this, it goes down. If I put in the work, things will click. Right? If you plant the seeds, take care of the farm, the harvest will be there. All right, 9:30. Do we have what it takes? It's a law, that's right. It is. Maverick, buddy. What are you doing? All right, let's see if we can get a low here. And then break the high. Hi, bud.
Beautiful.
Yeah, if we break the high, then I like it. If not, Maverick's in the house too, so we may have some volume here.
Maverick. What's up, bro?
Young Chris in the building. What's up, brother? How are you?
Chris.
How are you? This is gold?
It's
Is this
great. I
gold?
like that, bro.
Yeah, it is. Goldie,
I
Goldie.
like that we're wicking into the supports, the resistance to the left there.
Yeah, we'll see if Goldie wants to take flight here at 9:30. What up, though? Doing excellent, brother. You? Excellent. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome for the advice, man. Yeah, if you guys have any other questions on any of that stuff, let me know. Because this is what it takes. You know, this is the work. Everyone sees the result, but not many people see the work that's put in and all the behind-the-scenes stuff that goes into creating a life of abundance. Oh, he's in here. He's chilling. You want to go with mommy? Okay, go this way. Hi, Buggy. Hi, Lele. Here, give me a hug.
It's so bright in here.
So bright. I know. Hey.
It's raining more.
Okay, I just wanted a hug. Now you can go. Go, 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 go. See ya. Peace.
It's looking like a 30-minute fade too,
Hi, King Man.
essentially.
What up, mama? Oh, let's see. We push it. Let's take a look at the 30 close here. 30 did close bear there, so we'll see if we respect the lows. Yeah, if the stops are too big, I might have to lower my size here or wait for like a little celery type of deal. Bring out the whole ocean. Tell him, Landon. Tell him.
All right, damn gold.
Am I on a combine or live? I have both, but this trade will go on a combine. Yeah, combine. So I got these two 150K express accounts. So I probably won't trade those today. But I am doing pretty well on these. I'm up about 1,200. So not too bad. Had one tough day, which was Wednesday last week. Big loss there. So recovered that. And yeah, so up about 1,200 on this account. One more day here. So one more day of 200 and I could technically apply for a payout. So we'll see about that. But I probably won't apply for a payout until there's at least $9,000-$10,000, and so until this says like 9 or 10,000, I'll probably just try and just keep building it. I want to keep these accounts. The 50Ks I don't mind. I'll get a payout and like basically waste those, you know. But these two I want to keep because that's a nice 300K, you know. That's already done. It's already live. Yeah.
There's a process to multiply, and then there's a process to preserve, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, them XFAs, bro. We gotta preserve those and maintain them.
Holy. All right, I'm deleting this.
All right. Damn gold.
That's fine. Yeah, the XFAs, I mean, like I said, even when I have a 50K XFA, I really don't care. Like, my main goal is to pay out and then just dump it if I need to, and I'll start a new one. But the 150s I want to keep. So I was saying it earlier to the chat, like, it's nice to have a few different accounts to pick and choose which one you want to trade. So like on a day like CPI, if I don't want to trade my 150 lives, I don't have to, right? I could just go into one of these combines, which I only need one trade on each of them to pass, right? Because I'm halfway to the profit target on both of them. So I only really need one trade, right? I've passed them in basically one or two trades. So yeah, I think when you have an XFA, right, if you're going to use that account for every single trade, then you know that you're going to put that account at more risk, right? But if you're going to say, hey, this one right here is where I would normally look to go heavier on size, everything lines up, everything's perfect, that's when I want to bring my XFA out and make $2,000, right? $3,000, right? I only got to do that once or twice a week, right? Once or twice a week. That's it. I'm not greedy, right? And then in between that, I'll trade either 50K combines or 50K XFAs, you know, depending on what they are, and just kind of, yeah, do it. Have that type of approach.
Gold bleeder.
We got a blader. 30-minute closure. So the 4 hour may close bear here, so we'll see. That should give us some direction for the little bit later.
I love sells below 03, but not with this huge bearish candle. Absolutely not.
Yeah. How much is the 150K like to purchase? 150Ks are 150. Yeah, 150. TTD, yeah, stops are, yeah. That idea is over.
Definitely.
Nice
that was
little
a fun idea.
Yeah.
Pass quick.
130 pips, Goldie. 5-minute fade at 9:05. 9:05. Yeah, it wasn't bad. Yeah, it wasn't bad at all. I think a few people, some of you guys took that, right? Is it challenging? It is. It's definitely challenging. It's so you have $4,500 of drawdown, and you have to hit a target of 9K. So those are the basic rules, you know, like. And when you guys look at these accounts, I'll just start, instead of seeing what is up in front of you, like 50,000 or 150,000, just look at how much drawdown is your allowance and how much of a target do you have to hit. And basically whatever cost that you're paying, you're just buying that drawdown. So you're buying, so let's say 150K, right, comes with $4,500 of drawdown. So you're not buying a $150,000 account that will change your entire life and you'll be a millionaire. No, you're buying $4,500. You're buying $4,500 of demo drawdown, simulated money, right? That is just drawdown to basically see what you can do with that. So the window's 4,500. You got to make 9K. It doesn't really matter how you do it. I think some companies have that consistency rule. So as long as you follow that, that's really the only big rule you got to take into consideration. And that's it. You know what I mean? So would you be willing to spend 150 for $4,500 of play money to see if you can actually do something with that, right? Like actually make money off of it. So I would look at combines and challenges like that now, and not like, yo, I got $100,000, because you don't.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely. Especially once you have it, like for the XFA, I would treat it like with the drawdown 100%. And that's the challenge, right? You have to flip the account, basically. You have to basically flip it 150% to 200%, whichever the account is. So
yeah, you got to flip it.
That is a challenge, right? But that's why I suggest, and we all suggest, that you be a bit more aggressive with your risk on the combine phases, because you are going to have to flip that account, right? And if you want to flip an account like in a quicker time period, you're going to have to risk more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're basically flipping accounts here though, yeah.
Pretty much. I mean, the benefits of it is like you spend 100. So normally in like Forex, you would spend $500 and you get what, like 100K account, right? For 500. Where with futures, you don't have to spend that. You could spend $500, right? Yeah, or you can budget it. But the thing is, you can get 500K accounts, right? With that because it's only $100 each, right? Well, per month, but the idea is to either make it or break it by the end of the month, right? So meaning either pass in 30 days time, or if you're like a percent away, or like, you know, you're right on it, then, you know, continue trading properly, and I guess just pay the fee to renew that account, because it's monthly, right? But if you're not even near the target, or even if you're in drawdown, I mean, go super heavy on size, see if you can get yourself out of that hole, and if not, blow the count. You know, blow that account. It's not a big deal, right? Because you've only spent 100 so far, so you still have 4 other shots now at actually getting that account funded, right? So that's kind of like the approach that I feel is going to be the best. Otherwise, you could hang on to this one account and stay, you know, in drawdown potentially. Because what happens if you're 5% in drawdown, right? And then over the next month, you take a bunch of good trades and you get back to 0. You know, you could have been up 5% on this account by then if you just started fresh, right? So your hard work of getting, you know, 5% only gets you back to break even, where you could just spend another $100, get a fresh account, you go on that run, now you're up 5%. All right, how many guys been down 5% on your like challenge accounts and worked your way all the way back to break even? You actually could have been up 5% on another account at that point. So yeah, and then hey, you might blow this one. Boom, you went up 5% and then you blew it. But you're still within budget, right? So you go spend your next 100 and now you're only $300 in, right? As opposed to you already would have been 500 and blown that account twice, right? So you're budgeting it in here, and then hey, what happens if this one gets funded, right? And by the way, futures, you can get funded in like days. So like you could be funded in 2 days and then pay out 6 days later. So it's a lot better when it comes to getting to the money as well, because, you know, if you pass this account here, you get funded, and this one equals like I don't know, like a 3K payout, right? You're only 300 invested at that point, plus let's say 150 for activation fee. You know what I mean? You're like 500 invested at that point. So 3K minus 500, does that still give you a profit? Yes, it does. You profit $2,500. So, and you could do this by next week. You could do that by next week when it comes to the future style of it. So there's a lot more opportunity, in my opinion, if you can do it and do it right and play the rules of the game. Remember, there's certain things you're going to hear me say that you would not hear me say 6 months ago, 8 months ago. But again, we're playing this game, right? This prop firm game now. So it's not like we're trading for a major hedge fund or we're trading our own capital. Like, we're trading to get basically to a live and paid out. So that's where this style of business is conducted, to where you have a business budget and then you can go about your accounts in whatever manner you like. Pretty interesting. Jake Paul it's the Jake Paul boxing, right? Version of trading.
Yep. For real, bro.
You got boxing, and then you got Jake Paul boxing. You've got trading, and then you've got futures prop firm trading. So you gotta learn the rules to the game and play it that way. Well, I think that's my rant there on
So
combines. Is it easier to pass? Oh yeah, so I think so it's not easy though. You know, neither one is easy. You're gonna have to trade well and trade smart and strategize.
Yep.
So many times, right, AB Mike?
Still
120, 120. No, I think the activation fee is 150 with Top Step, I believe.
Yeah, 50K is technically easier, right? Because you only have to make 3K with 2K, but with the 150K, you have 4,500, and you have to make 9K. So you have to pretty much double it. Like you have to double the 4,500 versus if you have the 50K, right? You don't have to double it, right? You just have to flip it once and then half again. So it is a little bit less and easier.
Yeah. So when I pass the account, I can get paid. Yeah. So like, check this out, right? So this account here, this account, I think that I got 1 day, maybe 2 on this account. I think 1. Yeah, so this is only 1 day of trading, right? Now look at this other account. So this is 2 days, right? So I can maybe pass that account today, right? Or by tomorrow, right? And then once I have that now, so I could pass it in 3 days, right? 3 or 4 trading days. I could pass it in 2 trading days. Like this account here, I could pass this one today if I get another 1600, right? On another trade here. And then I could have my XFA by tomorrow, right? I could have a green day tomorrow, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and request a payout by next Thursday. Right? So this is where you can get all in and get paid within a week or 2. Is it easy? No. Is it doable? Absolutely. Like, look at my live account here now, right? So this is my live account. So I need 5 green days of over $200. So that account was whatever. I passed that in like 2 weeks maybe. And then boom. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. If I make $200 today, I could request a payout and get paid tomorrow if I really wanted to. Right? I'll get paid by Friday. Where with Forex and stuff, you know, we couldn't do that. We'd have to wait 30 days and there are 15 days after that and this and that, you know what I mean? So it's just a much better style of combine, you know, challenge and all that stuff. Straight to the money. Straight to the moolah. Yeah, that's right, Harry. Yep. So you gotta understand the rules. So that's why you see here the day is. You see how I only made 1300 here? I could have made more on this trade, but I couldn't make more than half of the profits. Right? In my case on this account is $3,000. So that means in each day, as long as I make under 1500, I'm good to go. So that's why I stopped the trades out at 1300. This one, yeah, these ones, I'm about 1400 up now. So, yeah. So if I take a trade today, the max profit I'm going to take is $1,400, right? So I don't mess that up. So, yeah, as long as you understand those rules, which you should, play them. Play them. Yes. Yep. Do I use FTMO? No, FTMO is the first firm I ever used, but I haven't used them now in probably 2 years. Have I blown a challenge this year? Yeah, I blew one combine this year, 150K, which was that was like 2 days ago. But like my strategy is I'm open to blowing them, right? Because basically what I'm doing is if I'm risking a combine, in reality, all I'm really doing is risking $50. So that's the way I look at it now. So I don't look at it as oh my God, I blew an account. Oh my God, why am I even alive, right? No, that's $50. Load up another 50, get another account, and let's pass this thing in 2 days. That's my mentality at this point in this type of game. So for me, I don't really care. Even this account here, right? If let's say I'm halfway there, if I take a trade today and blow this, I'm not too worried about it. Do we have a Top Step referral link? Nah, we don't. Why did I stop using FTMO? Because my Forex funds had an 8% target with a 12% drawdown, and FTMO only had a 10% drawdown with a 10% target. So I haven't used FTMO in a while, but I still think they're probably the best in the business when it comes to the, you know, bigger firms over there. Yeah, apart from that, everything else looks good. Yeah, I mean, the only other ones I had was the 250Ks, and those are right here. So those are sitting in profit, both of them. They're both up to about 1,1300. They're being copied, so I use copy traders on those. Let's see. How much risk do I per trade? The whole account. Nah, I'm just kidding. I use my risk in ABC, you know, so depending on the conditions of the market here, I'll use either A, B, or C. So basically what that means is like A would be like $1,000, right? B would be like maybe like $500 per trade, and then C would be like $250. So that's typically how I trade. So depending on what's going on out here in these streets, that determines whether or not I want to use size A, B, or C. The whole account. No lie. Sometimes I will risk the whole account. What's the page you're tracking trades on? That's actually Top Step. But I do have TradeZella over here as well for like all my stuff. So I use TradeZella and then I use Top Step. TradeZella is good because that can keep all your accounts and all year long and all that, you know, good stuff. All right, I think we're gonna call it. Yeah, I think we'll call it. I'll probably wait for the next best setup here in the Clubhouse, see if we get anything, you know, over the next hour and a half, and if not, then take my $817 and call it a day. Yep. Any other questions before I get out of here? Any questions? Anything? Any questions, comments, concerns? Talk to me. Talk to me. If not, we'll get up out of here and come back tomorrow. What am I looking for here? The 4-hour closure. So let's see how the 4-hour closes. If we do close bearish, then there's most likely going to be a push down here, right? So what I would say is 15 minutes given some, you know, potential fake outs, right? If we can kind of like maybe close below the range here, right? Then price doesn't look too bad. Or let's say you get a bearish closure below, because remember the 4-hour candle has to create a top wick now, right? The new one. So that might look something like this, right? Where candles kind of look like that. And then I think if you get either a nice bearish closure, then the sell's looking pretty good here. Yeah, that's if the 4-hour candle closes bearish. If it closes bullish, then, you know, just waiting for support and go from there. Cool. All right, man. Good stuff today. Good stuff, good stuff. Hope everyone ended the day green for the most part. If you're green, just shut it down, right? I mean, there's no need to stick around, right? You already made money today. You know what I mean? Take your profit and go. What's the plan for this year? Oh man, brother, there's so many big plans for this year. So come back tomorrow, ask me, and we'll talk about the vision for the year. All right. Johnny Gems, appreciate you coming by. Chat, love y'all. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. If you guys aren't in the Clubhouse, pull up. We'll be there for about another hour and a half, and we'll see if we can find some more moves. And yeah, if not, see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Big blessings, gang. Catch y'all later, all right? Peace. Peace, peace. This ain't no... Later.
I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, it's all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spent in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would love it, that's the way it should work, yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up, yeah. This all God, this ain't no love, yeah. I used to be stuck in that mud, yeah. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
Down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where
I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go, yeah. This all God, this ain't no love, yeah. I used to be stuck in that mud, yeah. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. I was in a dark place, listening to dark days, in a prison of my mind. Stuck inside the fast lane, always unattached, and about ready to end my time. Until you came and found me, and opened up the truth, that everything around me was made to worship you. 'Cause life is good. Cause life is good, and it keeps getting better. Why would I be stressed when I know who made the weather good? And it keeps getting greater. Why would I be stressed about some stuff that happens later? I'm not sad today. Every day with you is like Saturday. It's good, and it keeps getting better. Why would I be stressed when you work all things together? Situation can't make or break me when I was made by you. The season doesn't get to define me when I'm defined by you. The situation